We are going to talk about the genie. It says you find a brass bottle that looks really old. When you rub some dirt off the bottle, a genie appears. The genie offers you a reward and you must choose one. A lot of you will remember doing this already, but we're going to do it again. It says you can get $50,000 or a magical dollar coin. The coin will turn into 2 coins on the first day. The 2 coins will turn into 4 coins on the second day. The 4 coins will double to 8 coins on the third day, and so on. For 28 days, it will continue to double. We're going to answer number 1. It says the number of coins on the third day will be 2 times 2 times 2. Write an equivalent expression using exponents. I'm going to have you do that one real quick. Exponent is that little number, right? So my number's here, the exponent goes right there. Please do that for me now. All right, you see how all of these numbers are 2, so that's going to be our big number. And then how many 2's do we have? 3 2's. Now, if I asked you to solve that, which I didn't, but if I did, you would do the first 2's first. 2 times 2 is 4. And then you do 4 times 2 to get 8. And that's what your answer would be. Let's move down to problem 2. What do 2 to the 5th and 2 to the 6th represent in this situation? What does it mean to do 2 to the 5th and 2 to the 6th power? What does that mean? Hopefully you said that it means to multiply 2 5 times and to multiply 2 6 times, not to multiply 2 times 5 or 2 times 6. No, it's telling me to multiply the number 2 by the same number 2 5 times and then 6 times. So 2 to the 5th means to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, meaning multiply 2 5 times, not 5 times 2 or 2 times 5, multiplying just 2 5 times. Same for the 6th power, except just 6 times. Then it says evaluate without a calculator. I'm going to ask you to just solve 2 to the 5th power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to give you a second to do that. All right, you should have got 4. 4 times 2 times 2 times 2. I rewrite it every time. 8. 8 times 2 times 2 times 2. 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So 32 is the answer for 2 to the 5th power. Instead of doing number 3, I'd like you to evaluate what 2 to the 6th power would equal. Nice. Okay. You should have done 2 multiplied 6 times. That's 4, 5, 6. I already know from, let me change my color. I already know from over here that 2 to the 5th power, so from here to here, is 32. So all I would have to do is now do 32 times 2. That only works when I'm multiplying that number in front and it's the same number. Okay, so now I can just do this and get 64. Instead of having to go through all the steps like I did over here, I could have used it and just skipped a step. And I knew that 2 to the 5th power was already 32, so I only had one more 2 to multiply. That's the trick. I know this wasn't a long lesson for this activity, but you'll do just one more by yourself on the next page, and then you'll move to your exit ticket.